Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by preparing both devices. Charge the watch to at least 50% and power it on, then enable Bluetooth and location on your phone so discovery works. Open the Wear OS app and sign into your Google account. This links apps, contacts, and data. Once done, follow the app prompt to start pairing. Tap Start Pairing, watch for the device name, and select it. Make sure both screens show a pairing code before you confirm, so you connect the correct device. After selecting your watch in the app, confirm the numeric code that appears on both screens. This prevents accidental connections. Grant the requested permissions, contacts, location, and notifications, because the watch needs them to mirror calls, messages, and GPS. The app will then sign into your Google account on the watch and may download updates or companion apps. Let these finish without interrupting Bluetooth. Once the sync completes, you'll see quick setup options for things like Google Assistant and media controls. Finish by customizing notification preferences and choosing a watch face so the device behaves how you want. Test core features. Make a call, send a message, play audio, and check GPS in a short walk to confirm location permissions work. If apps need installing, open Play Store on the watch. Once satisfied, enable auto-sync and battery optimizations as desired. Troubleshooting tip. If pairing fails, restart both devices, toggle Bluetooth and location, then retry pairing. This clears most transient connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.